the important thing is you're being called to service. If you're being called to service, you're meant to be what they call a dump.
So how have you been able to cope, like being a legislator and you're still having time for your fans on social media?
Oh yes, I've made it a point of duty because the social media was very instrumental to my victory. The social media was very instrumental to my victory. So I have to let them know, step in, step out, everything that happens. And this is 2015, so you have to let people abreast of situations and things going on.
Politics shouldn't be as sad a situation as it's being portrayed. It should be something we should be talking about. Everybody's happy while we are dissing somebody or we are encouraging somebody. The growth of Nigeria should be a collective one.
Mr. Speaker, we need to address certain things. The Nigerian youth, the social media, the social influencers, all of these are making the narrative that we are seeing today, except we are joking with ourselves. Social media, yes, though good, has its negative impact. Let me first thank you for condemning the wanton killings and carnage that happened at Lekki. When I went through the comments, I could not believe it, Mr. Speaker. The curses, the abuses from children. And I ask myself, is this Nigeria? What is going on? Children cursing, people having the effrontery to enter an Oba's palace, hold the staff of office. Culture is gone. Mr. Speaker, in the next 5 years, there will be no Nigeria. If we don't start now.
If you ask me if I thought I would be an actor or a star or anything like that, none of that. I've always wanted to be, I've always loved politics. I've always loved, money. And